Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on Precalculus, no? Senior High School Precalculus, no? So sa mga previous videos dito sa ating series, pinag-aralan natin yung mga parabolas, no? Na nag-open upward at saka nag-open downward. Hindi lang yun, may mga parabolas tayo, no? Na nag-open siya to the right and to the left, no? So, for example, ito, no? Paano natin i-derive yung equation nito? Okay, just a brief review. Sabi natin yung mga points ng parabola, no? Itong parabola natin ay same distance siya doon sa focus, no? Which is yung F natin. Ng coordinates niya ay A0, no? And sa directrix, no? Remember, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So, pag nilet natin yung A, yung focus natin, the coordinates by A0, meaning from here to here, remember, this is the y-axis, diba? So, from here to here, A units yan. Ngayon, kung yung directrix natin ay same distance, no? At this particular point ng graph, no? Gawin natin red. At this particular point ng graph, same distance silang dalawa. Siyempre sa focus. Kasi lahat naman, pag nandito, for example, same distance siya dun sa directrix 10, no? So, lahat ng points. Meaning, this is also a units, no? Which means that the equation of our directrix, no? Point ko na lang, no? Is x equals negative a. Okay? So, yan yung ating directrix. Now, ano ibig sabihin nun? So, from here, for example, if we let this point with the coordinates of this point be xy, no? xy, halimbawa. Ano ang distance niya from the focus at ano ang distance niya from the directrix, no? So, alam natin that from here to here ay A din yan, di ba? Parallel yan eh. Tapos from here to here, remember, this is the x-axis, di ba? So, x units yan yung nandito. Di ba? Tama? Nakamalito kayo. That's the x-axis. Tapos, yung y, same distance ito, tong part na to. Same distance from here to here, same distance siya nito. Okay? Ng F tsaka P. So, if we let this be Q, for example, yung PQ tsaka FP, pareho ng distance, no? Pero paano natin kinukuha? Ano ang distance ng PQ? So, meaning PQ is equal to PF. Pareho sila ng length, no? Ng distance. Pero yung PQ, ano ang distance niya? Di ba? A plus X. Di ba? Tama? Yung A from here to here, tapos yung X from here to the point, no? Right. What about yung F, no? Tsaka A. So, gagamit tayo ng distance formula kasi, di ba, 2 points yan. So, magiging A minus X squared, no? Tapos plus 0 minus Y squared. Naalala nyo, distance formula, distance between 2 points. So, para matanggal natin yung radical sign, we square both sides, no? So, A plus X quantity squared is equal to tatanggal tong radical sign, magiging A minus X squared plus, ano ang 0 minus Y? That's negative Y, di ba? Negative Y squared. Negative Y squared. Ay, is Y squared lang. So, this is Y squared. Okay? So, expanding, we have A squared plus 2AX plus X squared, no? Is equal to A squared minus 2AX plus X squared plus Y squared. Gets nyo yung expansion? So, in-square ko to, naging ganito siya. Tapos, in-square ko to. In-square ko siya, naging ganito yan. Pero meron ka pang Y squared. Which is ito yun. Okay? If you subtract a squared from both sides, no, makakancel tong a squared na yan. Diba? Tapos makakancel din yung x squared. Pareho sila may x squared eh. Ang matitira na lang, hindi over to hindi to division, pinlas yan by the way. Naka-plus yan, wala lang space. So magiging magiging 2ax, no? 2ax na lang natira sa kaliwa, and then negative 2ax plus y squared. Which means that if we add both 2ax to both sides, we have 4ax equals y squared. So nag-add lang ako ng 2ax sa parehong side, which is y squared. Pwede rin natin isulat as y squared is equal to 4ax. Okay? Familiar ba kayo? At dito, a is greater than 0, di ba? A is greater than 0. Familiar kayo, di ba? Kasi, anong familiar sa inyo? Yung previous natin na parabola, opening upward and downward, maging x squared equals 4ay. So, baliktad lang sila, di ba? Baliktad lang yung y tsaka y lang tsaka x, baliktad ang position. Okay? So, here, this is a parabola opening to the right, no? Rightward. So, ang a natin is greater than 0. And hindi na natin i-derive yung less than opening to the left, no? Ang gagawin na natin is a is less than 0. Exercise yun na lang yun. Pareho din yung derivation yan. And a is less than 0. So, ito, ang equation na ito ay for parabola opening to the right, pag y squared was 4ax, where a is less than 0, this is to the left. So, this is to the right. Right. At ito naman ay left. So, ang left, exercise nyo na lang yun kung paano nyo siya i-derive. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video. Sana ay patuloy nyong subaybayan yung ating channel, no, dahil napakarami nating pag-aaralan pa. Gusto ko yung invite sa YouTube channel natin. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, i-like nyo yung mga videos natin. No? And then, please subscribe also to our website. No? So, meron din tayong mga Facebook page. Pwede nyo i-click sa baba, no? If you're watching on YouTube. See you!